Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guy Wayne, and today I'll be sharing with you a really cool new product for a company called Veger. This is their X5 6-in-1 WalletTrack Powerbank. So it has a built-in magnet. It does support MagSafe. So guess what? I've got my iPhone here. I can simply link it up to the back just like this, and it will charge my iPhone. And it does support 15-watt wireless charging, so it's going to give my phone a nice little boost, nice and quick. Now I can also use my cable and plug in right at the bottom right here, and guess what? That's going to charge my phone even faster. That's going to support 20-watt fast charging when I plug it directly in using the cable. It does have a built-in kickstand, so while it's charging, guess what? I can have it sit right up on the table just like this. I can also rotate my phone, which makes it ideal for watching shows. Maybe your phone battery is low and you want to watch a show. Well, guess what? You just simply throw it on here. It's going to charge it while your show is playing, and you get to take advantage of that cool viewing angle as well. Now, aside from that, it's also a wallet. So on the back here, when you open up the kickstand, you have a credit card. Now, you can actually store 2 cards within it. You just push right up, which to me makes this a really cool accessory for when you travel and you're trying to go light. Well, you don't want to carry a wallet and a power bank, so why not just carry a power bank that's also a wallet, right? Now, this also, the material is going to support RFID blocking. If you find yourself in an area with a scammer who's trying to take your credit card information, this material blocks the signal. And the last thing is it has a built-in geo tracker, Apple certified location tracking, and you can simply use the AirTag feature to track this if it ever gets lost. Now, you might say, oh man, what if my battery's dead? Well, no problem. This actually has a separate 3-month backup battery built in, so you have plenty of time to track it and find it. So you have that extra peace of mind there, even if the battery is dead, the regular battery is dead. So anyway, guys, this is a Kickstarter product. It just launched. I will drop a link in the description and you can check it out. It's at a really great price. And if you, again, pre-order, you get an even better price versus waiting until it comes out. If you found this helpful, guys, bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.